Hi, Year 4. In English this week, we're going to be looking at the story How the King of the Birds Was Chosen. This is a Mayan legend, and it's what we call an origin story. Origin means the point or place where something begins. So this is all telling us all about how a king of the birds began. There are some questions for you to answer about the text, just to make sure that you've read it and understood it carefully. And I'm going to show you on here some pictures of the birds that appear in that story. So here they are, the quetzal, cardinal, tropical mockingbird, wild turkey, and the roadrunner. Just so that when you read that story, you can imagine what they actually look like. But our question to you is, what other birds might want to be king, and what would their qualities be to make them worthy of being the king of those birds? I've written a little list of birds there that I thought of. Now, it doesn't matter that these birds don't all have the rainforest as their home. You can be as creative as you like with this. You can choose any bird that you're interested in, that perhaps you want to find a little bit more about, or you know quite a lot about it already and you'll be able to write about it. You're going to do just a very short burst of writing, and we want you to address that to us, the Year 4 teachers, but we want you to imagine that we are the great spirits now. We're the one that guides over the Mayan world, and you're going to tell us why you should be the new leader. So, for example, if you wanted to be a golden eagle and you're going to tell us that you think you're worthy of being the leader of all the birds, the king of all the birds, you might explain to us how, because you can fly higher than any other bird in the world, that's one of the reasons why you should be king. Or perhaps you are a peregrine and you would write to us telling us how you're the fastest flying bird in the world, and therefore that's why you should be the king of all the birds. We want you to write in the first person, so you become that bird. You write using the pronoun I. So you are the bird writing to us, and tell us all the reasons why we should crown you the king of the birds. You have to persuade us. That's why you are writing this short piece of writing for us today. And if you want to be a bit more creative and you want to draw that bird, that's absolutely fine. There's no reason why you can't even create your own bird, maybe a mix-up of other existing birds, and convince us that you, as that particular species, should be the king of all birds. We look forward to reading your writing, and we're going to be working with this story all week. So enjoy this task, and I'll see you soon.